salad of chichirya. Do you eat chichirya?
I want some chips over there.
What chip?
And big nice skirt.
Here, oh, this one is really cute, ate. You want this?
Yeah?
Paris. Oh, this one is bigger. Yan na lang bilhin mo para pag pumunta ka ng Disneyland, may gagamitin ka nun.
Yes.
Yes?
I'm Minnie Mouse. I'm Minnie Mouse.
You will go. Hey guys! Naghanap kami ng mga kainan kasi tinatamad na kami na magluto. So,
Hi everyone!
yay! Daming disali.
Sali rin ako. Sasabay ako.
Oh, hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
Yan, di kayo nagpo-focus. O yan, mag-hey everyone na dali! Hi everyone! Ay, ang bad! Ay, ang bad! Huwag nyo na itong ihahay ha, mga tita ha. Huwag nyo na, huwag na kayong magko-comment ng ano sa kanya kasi nagiging bad na siya. Hi!
Oh, teacher. Ada chinelas. Ada chinelas ko gaya.
Bangon ka nga, magbihis ka na. Kasi feel na feel niya yung dress niya, oh. Feel na feel niya yung dress niya. Dapat to headband eh. Kaso ginawa na niyang pony. Hanta na. Sige na. Si Maxi na lang sama natin. Hindi na yung bebe.
Bili ka ng gummy bears.
Anong sasabihin mo sa tita?
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears?
Ayaw ko mag-fishing.
Bakit ayaw mo kasi
Mainit yan.
Mainit yan, naning. Umiyak na.
Huwag na tayong pumunta ng chowking.
Huwag na tayong pupunta kasi iyak na. Ate.
It's a chocolate super.
Smells really good. You wanna taste it?
No.
Why?
Chocolate palang.
Chocolate pa lang.
Oh, there's a black one and the white one.
Hey guys, we are here in Chowking. Nakain muna kami kasi namin nakapagluto sa bahay. So yeah, let's eat. Problema nila yung pork and beef siomai. Let's eat. Cholesterol. Uy, yun din yung mga health.
Toyo.
Talaga? Okay, Jessa. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Opa. Ayun, isa pa. Opa.
Hi everyone, we're here on the Dapat ship, and there's our baby here. Pillows, there's a lot of chichira.
Ay, bila natin si Tito Mac ng pillows.
Okay.
Hi everyone. Andito. There's a lot of chichirya. Do you eat chichirya?
I want some chips over there.
What chip?
What chips?
Wag yan! Huwag papagalitan tayo ni Mami, kakain ka ng chichirya. Bye, stream of mushroom.
Wow! Toys!
Toys?
There's Mickey Mouse, there's a little kitty, there's a bear,
Zamzam!
yeah, and big nice skirt.
Here, oh, this one is really cute, ate. You want this?
Yeah?
Paris. Oh, this one is bigger. And how much? It's 255. This one is 100.
Take that.
13.
Let's take that.
Oh, that's New York. Here.
Oh, that's the yours.
And this one is...
This
I don't know where you can find this one. This one is nice,
is a
right?
butterfly.
Butterfly.
And fly.
There's mirror.
Oh.
Say hi. Say hi to the mirror. Pang ano natin ng cake, oh. Ooh, ice cream scooper. Ay, ito. Ganda. DIY natin, naning.
Okay, let's take that and that's fine.
Tingnan mo to, oh. Magbe-bake ka, silicone.
Let's take this one too.
For your cupcake. You stay here. You stay there. You stay there, Antana. Ito, bili tayo ng ganun. Pang scrub ng banyo and ziplock. Wag na. Wag ding ziplock. Punta tayo sa my mirror. Pipili tayo ng mirror para sa hallway nila la mama. Here.
I don't like
That one, the silver. Get the silver la mama.
like that one.
What do you want?
I want the gold one.
Oh, you want the gold?
The gold one. See?
Yan o, gold.
That's not the gold one.
Yes, this is the gold one.
Diba, tita, nakita natin mirror.
Yan, nakita natin tong mirror.
Hi, everyone.
What are you getting?
Oh, which one do you want? You want the gold one or the silver one?
What are you getting?
I got this Hello Kitty type one chicken.
And Tita got what? So
This
then,
one.
it's a turban. Ala, masira mo. Oh, what is this?
Hello Kitty headband.
You wanna try? Hindi maganda, hindi mo bagay. Is it good? You want it? Akala ko yung itong gusto mo. You want the Mickey Mouse? Minnie Mouse. Here.
Ay, dito na lang para pagpunta natin.
Oo, yan na lang para pag pupunta ka ng Disneyland, may ganyan ka na. Yan na lang bilhin mo para pag pumunta ka ng Disneyland, may gagamitin ka na. Yes?
Wow.
I'm Minnie Mouse. I'm Minnie Mouse.
You will go to Disneyland? See you in Disney, come.
Disney.
Hey guys, so pagising ko lang hapon na it's already 6 and I was planning to cook something kasi may kami patlak to kami sa hospital. Isi-send off na namin yung nurse namin na hire sa Palawan. So ayun, kaya kapag may mga nurses pala guys na kilala kayo na malapit or gustong mag-work sa Palawan, just go to Palawan Adventist Hospital ata yun. Ayun, doon hiring sila, sobrang dami pa ang kailangan nila. Kaya if you know someone, then you can tell them to go there and apply. So before I end this video, I want to do a shout out sa mga taong nagpapa-shout out guys. And let's start with Sis Tormelin Kurameng. Hello sis. And then kay Lainit Benitez, Lainit ba? Yun. And then hello din kay kay Sis Grace Kapiyok, and then kay Sis Riza Asido. Ayun, na-hi ka na kanina ni Bebe. And last but not the least is kay Faye Lorenzo. Thank you so much guys for watching. And sa mga hindi pa na shoutout o gusto mag-shoutout, just comment down below for me to do a shoutout for you guys. And let me know if you have a YouTube channel. Ayan. Lagay nyo na rin kayo yung link nyo, no? Pang gusto nyo ano. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I think I'm gonna continue this vlog. Pero sa ibang, ibang upload na. Kasi I will go somewhere sa hospital. Yun nga, send off namin yung kawork namin. So, without any further ado, bye-bye na. Bye! Please subscribe and please like pala. If you haven't subscribed to this video yet, please do subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe and like this video. Until then, bye!